Open the browser to click search bar and enter eTuitions. Click Google Search. Go to eTuitions online classes in India from best teachers. Click here. You'll see the login button in the top right corner. Click on it. A dialog box will now open in front of you. Enter your username and password, then click on the login button. The dashboard will open, showing your upcoming schedules. You can join from here or from the My Schedules section. Click on Join Class in the upcoming Schedules section. Your class will begin shortly. Since there are still 3 minutes before the class starts, the I'm ready to begin button will not respond yet. It is time for your class, and you can join now. If you click the I'm ready to begin button and see an error, it means the teacher might not have joined yet. In this case, you will need to contact eTuitions. This error is very rare. When it is time for your class, you can join by clicking on the I'm ready to begin button. This will open the Zoom window. Enter your first name, last name, and email ID. Then click on the Register and Join button. A Zoom pop-up will appear, and you need to click on the Open Meeting link. If the pop-up does not appear, ensure you have granted permission for the camera, microphone, and location in the left corner of your browser. Then click on Launch Meeting. If you don't have the Zoom app, you can join from your browser by clicking on Join from your browser. Thank you for watching.